How you doing? Dave Rodnelli with MarineMax Boston, and today I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough of this MJM 35. Starting in the aft, this boat has the new Mercury V10 400s. Boat runs absolutely incredible with those, plenty of power. Of course, joystick control. In the transom here, really nice feature. You've got doors for both port and starboard. So depending on what side you dock, you can get in very easily. In the back, you've got a really nice seat here. You've got a seat facing aft. You've got a grill underneath here, so really nice entertaining spot. You can move that table to here if you'd like, so really versatile if you want to be inside the temperature control or outside. You'll notice there is a bimini top. It is in the boot, but this does come forward, and this attaches here to the hard top, so again, you can get a lot of shade back here, which is really nice. Storage, it is an outboard boat, right? So you've got a ton of storage underneath the seat here, which is great. Fenders, dock lines. Both port and starboard, those hatches open. Of course, there's storage underneath there. Storage here on the starboard side under this seat, you can tell. Of course, with MJM, everything's going to be all finished fiberglass. You really need to come down and see these boats to appreciate the fit and finish on them. As you come aboard and we enter, you'll notice that the boat does have a rear canvas enclosure. Of course, we've got the door rolled up. But by shutting this is all temperature controlled, so it can be really nice and cool, or on a cool day, it can be warm in here with the reverse cycle heat. Again, you've got a table here that acts as a table for in the cockpit or for here. High gloss table, of course, you can see it opens up, so you can have dinner, lunch, entertainment. Both port and starboard, really nice lounge seats here, facing forward for when you're underway or facing each other for when you're entertaining. Of course, underneath here, you're going to have some more storage. Freshwater tank. On the port side here, similar idea where you're going to have your hot water heater, really great access, and more storage as well too. As we come forward, you'll notice this really nice stid seats, port side beautiful stid seats, same thing on the captain's chair here. You'll notice that we have hatches, so we can open these hatches. If you don't want to run the air conditioning, you can do so. Or you can open these really nice windows by just pulling the button and sliding this back, both port and starboard. So again, you get a nice cross breeze and you don't have to run that air conditioning all the time. Speaking of windows that open, the forward windows, you'll notice are great, very little blind spots, and just by the push of the button, if we want to open those, we can open those up too, which is really a great feature for getting a lot of breeze inside of the cockpit here. Underneath me is going to be your Seakeeper. This is a DC powered Seakeeper, so you can run it without the generator. Every boat now pretty much must have those. They're a great feature. Coming down into the 35, again, you'll notice a beautiful high gloss teak and holly sole here. Small galley on your port side. You do have another stovetop single Kenyon here. You've got a refrigerator drawer here. There is a convection microwave here on the port side, and then of course you got really nice deep storage behind the galley here. As you come down, you will notice that right now this is in the bed position, so of course these fillers come out and there is a table. That table can come downstairs, and you can have a table here for if you were entertaining and wanted to have dinner inside of the cabin. But you can tell, really nice bed, really comfortable for 2 adults. And as you come in, you'll see here we're going to enter the head. And so you do have a full head, hot and cold shower, of course a wet head. Again, thanks for joining us on this quick walkthrough of the MJM 35. For more information, please call me at 401-569-3874 or visit us at marinemax.com. Thanks again.